A woman caught with narcotics in Singapore in 2018 was executed on Friday, making her the first woman the city-state has punished with the death penalty since 2004. Capital punishment. Saridevi Binte Dasmani, 45, was executed by hanging on Friday, Singapore's Central Narcotics Bureau announced in a news release. The Bureau noted that the woman was accorded full due process under the law and was represented by legal counsel throughout the process as the government faced an outcry from human rights activists against the decision. What happened? Saridevi was convicted after being caught with 30.72 grams, approximately 1.08 ounces, of dimorphine, or pure heroin. In 2018, the Bureau noted that under the Misuse of Drugs Act, anyone caught with more than 15 grams of heroin will be subjected to the death penalty.